Why content marketing matters. If you're at all interested in digital marketing and making a name for your brand online, then it is crucial that you understand how to properly make use of content marketing. Content marketing is currently one of the biggest trends in digital marketing as a whole, and is an area that many website owners and brands are investing heavily in right now, thanks to the impressive returns that they are seeing. While there is no such thing as a magic bullet when it comes to getting your brand known and encouraging sales, content marketing is perhaps the closest thing to such a notion, and can help you to drastically increase your visibility as well as your authority and trust. But content marketing is a complex and broad term that encompasses a number of different strategies and activities. In order for it to be successful, you need to have a good understanding of what it is, how it works, and how you can best adapt it to work for your particular brand. What's more is that you need to know where content marketing is heading in the near future, and how you can ensure that the work you put in now keeps on paying dividends long into the future. For all that and more, keep reading. What you will learn in this training is how content marketing works, why it is crucial for your business, and how to harness it in a way that completely transforms your success. You'll receive a complete content marketing blueprint that you can adapt to your own brand, and that you can use to build immense authority and a huge list of readers. Once you can fully utilize this key aspect of your marketing, you'll find that it helps you to create something that is much bigger than a simple brand. You become a movement. And that's how you achieve the maximum measure of success. What is content marketing? Before we dive in any further, it of course makes sense to simply ask ourselves, what is content marketing? There's a chance you know the term already, but I ask that you bear with me in case there are aspects of the definition that you may have missed. At its most basic, content marketing is a process of using content in order to market a website. This means that you could consider SEO to be a form of content marketing, inasmuch as you are creating content that Google will be able to index. This way, your content is making your site easier to find, and thus it is a form of marketing. Content marketing can also be seen as a crucial aspect of social media marketing. Most social media marketing strategies involve sharing posts and links on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and very often these will include content that is on the brand's own website. Take a look at the highly popular Facebook page IFL Science. This page mainly posts science news by sharing blog posts from its own site. This ensures that liking the page provides readers with a constant stream of interesting information, and it helps to gain more likes as a result. But the objective of content marketing goes beyond simply getting people to your website. All these uses for content demonstrate one key fact. The internet runs on content. The reason that people search for topics on Google is because they are looking for either information or entertainment. Both those things are examples of content. By filling your site with great posts, you are giving people a reason to like your Facebook page. What's more is that you are giving Google a reason to add you to its search results. Google wants to pair its visitors with the top sites and resources on the web. In doing so, that is how it is able to provide value, and that is what will keep people coming back. But if your site is filled with great content, then you are also giving people a good reason to come to your site directly. In other words, content marketing that is good enough will eventually cut out the middleman. Content marketing that is good enough will encourage visitors to bookmark your site and to visit it regularly as part of their routine, in order to see what new posts you've uploaded and what more they can learn. In other words, you are filling your site with value. Once someone is visiting your site directly and without being encouraged to do so by an advert or by Google, then they have evolved beyond being a simple visitor. Now they are a fan. They are actively choosing to engage with your brand, so they must really like the type of content you provide, your style of writing, or the topic that you cover. This takes your site to a whole different level, and that's not even the whole story.